Hello everyone, my name is Matt Mowry. I am the North American Product Manager for drylin for igus Incorporated. If you're unfamiliar with drylin, that stands for dry running linear motion. In that product family, we also have lead screw systems we call dryspin. Same thing, dry running lead screw nuts, stainless steel lead screws, a few different geometries. We also offer actuators and motors as well. We're very excited to be here in our new facility directly across the street from our existing headquarters. This building has been repurposed. It's a 1950s construction, been repurposed into housing our lead screw production as well as our drylin linear bearing production here in the USA. Sean can expand a little bit further on that.
Absolutely. My name is Sean Fournier. I'm the Product Specialist for Dryspin lead screws at igus, and I'm very excited to introduce to you guys this new facility. Here we are going to be implementing the manufacturing domestically of lead screws in North America at our Rhode Island headquarters. Primarily, we are going to be manufacturing a new expansion catalog of Acme lead screws, adding 12 new dimensions to our current catalog. To do this, we are bringing in new rolling machines to manufacture everything from Acme, as I said before, as well as trapezoidal and dry spin high helix technology. We'll continue to grow that over time. In addition to that, we also have a number of straightening machines, post-process machining, all this looking to bring to you better lead times and great advantages. On to you, Matt.
Yeah, as Sean mentioned, we are very excited about this new facility. Going to be able to roll lead screws here. Then we're going to be able to machine those lead screws to your specifications on site. The whole idea is to supply you with faster product domestically supplied here in North America. So here we're in the future home of cold storage where we'll keep all of our material before processing it through the rolling machines. But as you can see, there's a lot more to this building.
Absolutely, there is a lot more to this building, and we're going to continue to show it to you guys through future updates, so please do stay tuned. Thank you for watching.